Why does cleaning calm some people instantly, while others feel overwhelmed just looking at a messy room? Most people think those reactions are opposites. They aren't. They come from the same place in the brain. And it has nothing to do with being neat. It has everything to do with how the brain handles uncertainty. When life feels unstable, unpredictable, or emotionally heavy, the brain looks for something it can control. Something with clear rules. Something with a beginning and an end. That's when organizing shows up, not because you suddenly care about objects, but because your nervous system is trying to regain balance. After a stressful day, wiping a counter or reorganizing a drawer can feel calming. That isn't random behavior. It's regulation. The brain is wired to respond to completed actions. Every small task you finish releases dopamine, not happiness, relief. It's the brain saying something is resolved. At the same time, clutter keeps the stress system active. Your brain reads visual mess as unfinished business, open loops, loose ends. Even when you're resting, part of your mind stays alert. That's why a messy space can feel loud without making a sound. But here's where it gets deeper. Your subconscious treats your environment as a safety signal. Order suggests predictability. Predictability signals safety. For people with higher emotional sensitivity or cognitive load, clutter doesn't fade into the background. It stays active. It pulls attention. It drains energy. So they don't organize to be impressive. They organize to feel calm inside. For others, the reaction goes the opposite direction. A messy space feels overwhelming because it mirrors what they already feel internally. So instead of regulating, the brain freezes. Same system, different response. There's also an identity layer most people never notice. Your brain treats your surroundings as an extension of you. What you keep around sends a message about who you are, what matters, what's unresolved. That's why organizing can suddenly feel emotional. Every item you keep says this still belongs to me. Every item you let go says this chapter is over. Old clothes, broken gadgets, unused gifts. Letting go isn't about things. It's about versions of yourself. That's why decluttering can feel heavy or even sad. You aren't just cleaning a room. You're editing your story. Your environment constantly talks to your nervous system. A tidy space says you're capable. A chaotic one says you're behind. So when the space changes, the internal message changes with it. This is why organizing can feel powerful. Not because it gives control over objects, but because it restores meaning. This matters. This stays. This can go. Each choice reduces mental noise. Each finished task restores a sense of agency. Peace doesn't arrive all at once. It's built slowly through small, completed actions. So if cleaning helps you feel better, don't minimize it. That's self-regulation happening in real time. This is Psychology of Everyday People. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts.